Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today, the market is closed because of President's Day. So hope you enjoyed the federal holiday. Today, I'm going to talk about why do I invest? Essentially, what is my motivation behind deploying capital in the market? I had a viewer ask me, and I thought it was a really good question, because oftentimes as investors, we are so focused on the day-to-day gains without having a goal in mind. Regardless of risk tolerance, it's important to have a goal in mind because your return on investment can be used towards something tangible like outsourcing tasks, so you can spend time doing what you really enjoy doing, like traveling or eating good food, or allowing you to buy a home so your money is going towards equity instead of rent money, or investing in your education so you can provide more value, or investing in someone else and their idea so that person can focus on executing the idea without worrying about capital. All these points can be summarized with one theme: having a better quality of life. So whether you're trying to improve your quality of life or someone else's quality of life, really be intentional with how your return on investment is being used. Personally, for me, I achieved financial freedom with very low debt and continue to optimize my cash flow by minimizing my expenses and increasing my income. Other than my car payments, which I'm almost done paying off, my next goal is to buy a home so that the money paid is going towards home equity I own rather than someone else. I plan to buy a home in the next couple years, so right now I'm not only building wealth but also preserving my capital. So if we do experience a stock market crash, I'm not worried about the downturn because I put some of the assets in a high yield savings account to retain its value. I also really enjoy traveling, so I hope to do that more. In the short term, I also want to take monthly trips to places I've never been so that I'm exposed to new experiences and cultures outside of where I live. And my next two trips I'll be going to are Toronto in Canada and Copenhagen in Denmark. So that's all for this video. Why are you investing? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.